In today's video, I am going to teach you how to filter test payments by status in Stripe. Start by making sure you are already signed into your Stripe dashboard and that you are working in the correct Stripe account. Once you are in the dashboard, switch to the sandbox environment. This is where your test payments are stored. Take a moment to confirm that you are viewing sandbox data and not live transaction data, since the filtering will only help you find the test payments you want if you are in the right environment. Next, go to the left-hand navigation menu and open Transactions. From there, click the Payments tab to bring up your sandbox payment records. Once the payments list is visible, look above the list for the available filter options. These controls allow you to narrow down the results based on specific payment details. Find the status filter and click it. A list of payment statuses will appear. Choose the status you want to display in your results. Depending on the options available in your account, you may see statuses such as succeeded, pending, failed, refunded, partially refunded, or canceled. Select the one that matches the type of payment records you want to review. If you need to see more than one type of payment at the same time, you can also select multiple statuses. This is useful when you want to compare different payment outcomes in a single filtered view. After making your selections, click Apply to confirm the filter. Wait for the payments list to refresh. Once it updates, review the results on screen and confirm that the visible test payments match the status or statuses you selected. If you want to inspect one of the payments more closely, click on that payment to open its full details page. There you can review the complete payment information. When you are finished, return to the payments list to continue working. If you want to adjust the filter, click Status again and choose a different status or a different combination of statuses. Then apply the updated filter to refresh the list. If you want to go back to seeing all of your test payments, clear the selected status filters and click Apply once more. This will remove the filtering and restore the complete test payment list in the sandbox view. Your Stripe test payments are now filtered by the payment status you selected. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.